Top reason to roll over your 401k to an IRA. Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you in detail why you would want to roll over your 401k funds to an IRA. And here's the bottom line. It's generally about investment choices and diversification, right? We probably have all had the opportunity to work at a business and had a 401k. And what we've probably realized is, hey, in most cases you can't do what you want, right? You gotta buy these mutual funds and these ETFs, and they all kind of sound the same. And some are moderate growth and some are aggressive and conservative. Can't really just pick individual stocks. We certainly can't invest in real estate or gold or cryptos or even private placements, hedge funds, private equity. We're really restricted to a generally small group of investments. That's just the way the 401k model works. Why? Because the owner of the business is generally a trustee of the plan, and that individual or individuals generally have some fiduciary responsibility. So it's not in their interest to let you buy real estate or cryptos or gold or do hard money loans because there's just too much risk on their behalf. So that's why the self-regular IRA world exists. That's why there's $500 billion of rollovers each year. People want diversification. People want more investment choices, and that's what the IRA does. An IRA is an individual retirement account, so you are responsible for your own IRA. You are essentially the fiduciary of your IRA, so you're not going to sue yourself if you make a bad investment. Whereas if your employer lets you buy Venezuelan bonds with your 401k and it goes down in value, you could potentially sue the trustee of the plan. That's why 401k investments are restricted. Couple things you need to know about rollovers. Even though it's your money in the 401k, you actually can't take it when you want to. You generally need a plan triggering event to get the money out of a 401k. And essentially what's a plan triggering event? It's over the age of 59 and a half, you leave your job, or the company merges or terminates the plan. So those are generally the three ways to get access to your plan. Right, I get this question all the time. People are just mesmerized by the fact that they can't just pull the money out of a 401k when they want. I remember my first job, I was a lawyer, and I met someone for drinks, and it was a financial advisor, and he's like, Adam, your plan investments are garbage. Like, give me the money, I'll make a lot more. And I was like, oh, okay, sounds cool. I was 25, didn't know what I was talking about, and I go to my plan administrator, HR department of the law firm, and they're like, you can't touch the money, Adam. I'm like, what do you mean? It's my 401k. Again, I'm a tax lawyer. I have a master's in tax law. I had no idea. They're like, you still work here. If you want to quit, then you can take your money. I was like, nah, I don't think I want to quit. So that's the rules. You got to be 59 and a half, leave your job, or the plan terminates or the company merges. So once you satisfy those categories, those options, then you can roll over the funds tax-free to an IRA or a 401k or another pension plan. And generally, if you're in an IRA, you'll have more investment choices, diversification, more control. You can do self-directed IRAs, Roth IRAs, and ultimately take greater control of your retirement accounts. So if you want to learn more about rollovers, how they work, advantages, how to do a self-directed IRA, let us know. We literally wrote the book on the self-directed IRA. We got 25,000 plus clients, over 3 billion in assets. We're the best at what we do. Yeah, we are. So give us a call. We have 80 plus amazing team members that would love to help you out. So if you have questions, comments, leave them. I'll do my best to get back to you as quick as possible. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time.